Welcome to the fourth episode of the Cedrica series. Today we're going to talk about the control subsystem. A system that controls the output to provide the desired response is called a control system. In a self-driving car, the control subsystem tracks its path by controlling variables such as acceleration, steering angle, and braking. This desired path is found from a combination of the output of the motions planning subsystem and the feedback received. The control system then gives outputs that are used to control the vehicle's motion. Globally, in the world of controls, two major developments are taking place. The first is intelligent control, which integrates AI and ML into the conventional control system design. The second is hybrid control, which contains both discrete and continuous components in the same system. At the control subsystem of Cedrica, we are currently implementing non-linear MPC on our vehicle. Short for Model Predictive Control, MPC is an algorithm that decides the control inputs by an n-step look-ahead method. We look forward to increasing model complexity and exploring better variants of the algorithm in the future. We also hope to explore reinforcement learning as a control algorithm soon. That was all about the control subsystem. Stay tuned for the next episode of the Cedrica series.